What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Nandi Bros podcast, where we break down food, fun, and health in a way that actually makes sense.
Today we're talking about, hot dogs, the classic ballpark food.
We were at a Tigers game the other day, and while we were sitting there, I started wondering, what's really in a hot dog?
Yeah, because most people just grab one and go, and they really don't care. Squeeze on some ketchup, all kinds of stuff. They just don't really care. So we wanted to know what's actually in them.
Alright, so here's the deal. Hot dogs usually start with the leftover cuts of meat. Not the good steak or the chicken breast. It's the scraps.
Yeah, and they just grind it up into this pink, it's just gross to think about, this pink slime. It's so nasty. They grind it all together, the terrible parts of the cow, pig, whatever animal it is. They just grind it all up and it turns into this pink slime. It's so nasty.
Then they mix in salt, spices, and sometimes fillers. Stuff like starch or flour to glue it all together.
Yeah, and then after that, they pump it into these casings. Think of it as kind of like tubes to keep its shape,
Yeah, but back in the day, casings were made from animal intestines. I know, nasty. Now most are synthetic or plant-based and sometimes peeled off before you eat them.
Yep. Once they're cooked, cooled, and packaged, that's the hot dog you see at the store or the ballpark.
Here's a wild stat. The average American eats about 70 hot dogs per year. That's almost 2 hot dogs per week.
Yeah, and on 4th of July, Americans eat 150 million, yes, with an M, hot dogs in one singular day.
Imagine being the person who counted that.
That's crazy to think about. Or the guy who actually tried to line them up from New York to Washington, D.C. That was a messy road trip.
So yeah, hot dogs are fun once in a while, but they're definitely not brain food.
And scientists have studied it too. People who have more processed meats tend to have a higher risk for any kind of health problem.
If you really want one, the better options are all beef, organic, or even a veggie dog. At least those have fewer fillers and weird ingredients.
Or you can do what we did. Just skip the hot dog entirely. Just watch the game.
Tigers got the win, so it's a good day either way.
Yep. Stay healthy, stay curious. Bye,
Bye.
guys.